Alright, what's up guys? Today is gonna be a little funky. Last night my friend Alan came over and for Christmas he got a drone, and we were right over here playing with it in the yard. Now it was dark and it does have LEDs fitted on it, so you can see it while it's flying around. I got a little too carried away and I was going up real high, and I was probably at most maybe 50 feet up. And all of a sudden the drone wouldn't come back towards us no matter what you did with the joystick. And it looks almost like I went up high enough, somebody else freaking like hacked into it or whatever, and it turned and it just went clear over the trees that way. We went looking for it last night a little bit. We could not find it, even with the LEDs on it. So I'm gonna have to go around to my neighbors and knock on each one of their doors and kind of explain to them what I just told you guys, and see if they'll let me look around the property. We don't want to go too far at night last night because I'm not trying to get shot. So I'm gonna warm this thing up and we're gonna go take it on some air. Cold. I'm gonna let her warm up a little bit and we'll get on it. Another little update is obviously you probably seen it in the background. I got my bike back out of storage. It's sat for about two and a half months while I was doing the 2J swap on the Lexus. I got the battery charging right now. It does run. I did I did ride it here. The battery was really dead, so it was basically just running on the stator. We had to jump it to get it off, but once it gets running, it runs. But I'm gonna let this thing charge up basically while I'm gone almost all day, and I'll come out here and see if it's good. I did put a brand new battery in this when I first bought it. That was one of the things it needed. And I have a brand new clutch to put in it. It's not, the one that's in there isn't bad, but it's probably original. It's only got 18,000 miles on it. And it's a 99, so it's not horrible. I put probably the last 200 miles on it. But if you'd like to see some more videos of me working on this thing, I mean, I did all the carburetors and jetting and stuff for the exhaust system that's on it. I didn't get any videos of that, but anything else that comes up, if you guys want, let me know and I'll start taking some videos of this. I know I got to do some brake rotors on the front here soon, and these motorcycles, they always got something. So all right, so I'm currently walking through this guy's backyard. It's really a field, and I got permission from those people. Oh, well, you can't see him now, and the guy on the other side of this guy's house, but whoever this is not home. So, and he's got bees. I'm gonna look around here some. I'll probably go in the woods, but hopefully we'll be able to find this drone. I talked to one of the guys who actually has drones themselves, and he said to keep an eye in the trees because on the way down they'll get caught. But I'm gonna put the camera down so I don't trip and fall with it and destroy it, because it is fairly new. But, well, found a cool deer stand. That's about it. But other than that, no dice. Looks like we got a white pole out there in the middle of nowhere. Oh shit. Holy hell. Alan, you don't owe me, because I'm kind of the one who flew it up so high and made it fly out into the middle of nowhere, but I found it, you son of a bitch. Look at that. Damn. I honestly did not think I was gonna find this thing, but there it is. Oh man, it looks like it's still in pretty good shape. Camera's still on it. Is it still going? No, I think this battery's probably dead. But You know, I was just looking at this camera, looks identical to a GoPro, and I have an old Hero 3 that I will give to you, Slick, because it probably gets a little bit better video than the one that came with this. But heck yeah, man, I am excited. I felt so bad after this thing flew off in the middle of nowhere, but let me walk back. Damn, son, whose Jeep is that? The thing looks pretty modified. Look like it got some big old beefy tires on it or something. Tell you what, this must be his baby, whoever it is. This actually is a really good photo opportunity. For some reason, this thing looks really good next to the white fence. So I'm probably gonna take some pictures. All right, now that we got the drone, probably gonna go get some breakfast now since, hold on. There we go. Since I didn't eat any breakfast, and I went straight to looking for this drone. So I'm probably gonna go stop by Chick-fil-A. I guess this turned into a vlog. I was gonna make a short clip to kind of throw in somewhere, but we'll just make this into a whole video. Just document what I get to do today. So let's go. So I just stopped by Kohl's before getting some food. I had to pick up some socks and underwear, you know, the good stuff. I didn't get any for Christmas, which most people are like, socks and underwear for Christmas, but like, I actually enjoy getting socks and underwear for Christmas because me being a car guy, I don't buy clothes too often. That might sound a little bad, but you know, I am not one for being in the know on fashion and whatnot. So, you know, black shirts, black pants, blue jeans, maybe a Carhartt, that's about my extent. So usually I do rely on, you know, like my birthday or Christmas, you know, get some new clothing, you know, here and there, and socks and underwear is always just a plus. Well, I've been needing some for a while now, and I didn't get any for Christmas. Hold on. I didn't get any for Christmas, so I just had to go pick some up, you know, restock, so not riding around with some dirty drawers. So I'm gonna go get some food now, and then we'll see if we can't get into anything else. One thing I will say is 97.9 has been killing it with the throwbacks. Got that Bojangles, boy. Always go to in the morning. I was thinking about going to this spot in Monroe. We've taken pictures there before of the cars, but I might take this thing there as long as it's not too busy. It is starting to drizzle a little bit, but we'll just roll through downtown Monroe, and if anything, we'll just go back to the house. So I'm gonna try to eat this and drive at the same time. A little dangerous, especially in a big Jeep with like a good amount of play in the steering wheel. Not that much, it's not awful, but let's go see if it stays dry. All right, one thing. Now we are on 74, coming up on Monroe, if not driving through it at the moment. Now, you can't really see too good because I can't really zoom in because my other hand's on the wheel, but they just finished this thing that they've been working on for years called the Monroe Bypass. Now, it was really designed for all the semi-trucks and people just passing through to help alleviate some traffic. Now, I might be stupid, but here, let me see. Oh. That don't look like too much traffic is being diverted at the moment. 5 years, probably millions of dollars, still have fucking traffic. And that's North Carolina for you. All right, we're at this little photo spot. It's got a old water tower here in Monroe. And we got the Jeep all parked up. I don't even know, I have no idea what this place would have been at one point, but it's pretty cool. Take a lot of photos here. So, been leaving this thing running because there ain't no use to, been moving it around, so no use in shutting it off. But this thing's actually looking pretty good on the camera, even though it's freaking dirty as hell. But I might see if I can't get some good shots. Got some good photos of the Jeep. I got a little walk around video I might use if I do any future videos of this thing. But now I'm gonna head back to the house. My dad just did an oil change on her car yesterday, and she says she smells burning plastic, but I think it's just the oil burning off the manifold that might have got on there from him doing a filter and whatnot. So. Oh, and I gotta go check on the bike. The battery's been charging the whole day, so let's go see if that thing will crank up on the first try. Oh, look at that. Seth just showed up. Perfect timing. Oh, there we go. I was just about to get this bitch set up. Fuck it. Seth Green shows up. So I gotta spray some starting spray in this ass. So I gotta have this thing on the tripod. But let's see. The battery still's not fully charged yet. She will crank up on the first try. Choke. Some spray. I got a few bad. Not too bad. Okay, we've still got fully choked out. Yep. Let's see, where's the odometer at? Let's see. Oh, can't see it. Ah, handlebar's in the way. Okay, look at 18, 11, 3. So, see, sounds pretty good. It's got the Akrapovic. That's just a cover, sadly. I hope it was a full thing, but I think it looks like she's leaking a little bit of oil, but nothing horrible for an old bike. I did valve cover gasket on it not too long ago, but tires are still in good shape, front and rear, and it's got a full, you can't see it. It has a full header system on it. Let me kill the choke a little bit. There we go. But she runs pretty good. I'll probably take the charger off of it now. It's my nice trusty Mac battery tender, but she's getting warm. Actually, the registration on this thing ran out. I never did it because it was sitting in storage, so I probably need to go put some gas in this thing, but I'm glad that it got I don't even think it's warmed up yet. Oh, my gas light's on. Not too bad. Let me get the seat on and I might go ride this thing to go get some gas. Alright, I'm gonna go get some gas in this thing real quick. Gas light is on, so I don't know how much range I got. Never really ran out of gas in this thing before. Hopefully we don't run out. Seth's gonna follow me in his car. And I feel like I'm yelling. I can't hear anything. So hopefully you guys can hear me, or this is gonna be a clip of me waving my hands all over. But we'll be back. Alright. We went and got some gas. She's all full. Cranks up on the first. Oh, let me get the key so I can prove it. I don't want to just say it. Cranks up. The battery's all freaking charged up again. Nope, that's the tank key. Come on. Damn. Why they gotta make these things so freaking hard? Is this? That's the freaking tank. You see this? This is why 90s bikes have not survived. Boom.
Gotta get a little good wet.
Oh yeah. But that concludes the bike. We're freaking about to do some editing. I got another video to edit. Seth's gonna be here hanging out with me.
Stay tuned, everybody.
So, you know what you always do, right? At the end of a video,
What's that?
subscribe.
Everybody subscribe.